The fully electric Mini Cooper, which has already been awarded 5 stars in the Euro NCAP crash testing in March 2025, has once again received outstanding recognition from the esteemed Euro NCAP Institute. The Best in Class for Safest City and Super Mini of the Year 2025. This prestigious award emphasizes Mini's leading position in safety within the premium small car segment. With its 3 variants, Mini Cooper E, Mini Cooper SE, and Mini John Cooper Works Electric, the model impresses not only with its electric drive technology and characteristic go-kart feeling, but also with its comprehensive standard safety equipment. Jean-Philippe Parrin, head of the Mini brand, emphasizes, "We are very pleased about yet another accolade for the Mini Cooper Electric, which has just won the Euro NCAP Best in Class. This award is another compelling confirmation that Mini models offer outstanding safety. The Mini Cooper, as well as the Mini Countryman and Mini Aceman, have been rated with the maximum number of stars. This underlines our commitment to ensuring both driving pleasure and maximum safety standards." Euro NCAP praises the consistent advancement in occupant protection, active and passive safety systems, as well as innovative driver assistance technologies that make urban driving safer. The fully electric Mini Cooper features an integrated safety concept with comprehensive occupant protection, standard pelvic seatbelt pre-tensioners, and a wide range of assistance systems to prevent accidents. Protection of pedestrians and cyclists also achieves a very high score for this vehicle class, tallying 77% in the 2025 Euro NCAP crash test. Safety ratings are also outstanding, with 89% in occupant protection, 87% in child safety, and 79% in safety assist systems. The combination of top-level safety, driving enjoyment, and iconic design makes the second generation of the fully electric Mini Cooper the ideal vehicle for today's demands of urban mobility. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice, and reviews.